Well, g'day, fellow Forex traders. My name is Jim, and I thought I'd just knock this video up just to give you a basic rundown on my trading through my new website, which can be found here at www.accurateforextrader.com. Right, let's have a look at the site first up. Obviously you're here, so you've seen the site. It's just a simple WordPress site, nothing too flash. I'm not a professional webmaster or writer by any means, just a trader that just wants to put a bit extra, put a little bit back into the community. Yeah, as you see, the site's pretty basic. It's just got a bit of a story on what I'm doing on the front page here. Disclaimer at the bottom. I've added something new tonight about if you don't know anything about Forex and you want to learn a bit more. A couple of years ago I wrote 22 articles that were e-zine articles, and you just come over to this little flash looking icon here and you just click on that and it should bring up, hopefully, all the articles written by me on Forex. If you don't, as I said, if you don't know anything about Forex or know very little, best bet is to start at the bottom and work your way up through these articles. I just go through a few different things all about what Forex is and how to trade it, where to trade it. If you don't know much about it, it can be a little bit daunting. It's not like trading stocks or anything like that. It's a little bit different. But yeah, it's all on there, so it's on that link, and let's open another page. Yeah, at the website. Now, if you want my full trade details, just click on that link here on the right. That'll bring up a Word document spreadsheet. Every time I update that, it should be automatically updated on my site. Yeah, there's the current trades. I went short on the Great British Pound Yen cross this morning, and that was my result. That's a minus 181. I'll update that shortly. Yeah, keep in mind, you probably tell by my accent, I'm Australian. At the moment it's the 6th of June and it's about just before midnight. I haven't got much of a life, have I, making this video at that time? But it's not much has happened in the Forex world tonight. There's not much news out till tomorrow, so she's all pretty flat. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to make this video. Now let's have a look at the charts. Now, as you know, this site's based on the longer time frames. When I say longer, I'm looking at 4 hours or daily charts. To be honest, I've tried scalping. I would prefer to scalp, sit and look at 5-minute charts or trade off 15-minute charts, but it just doesn't work for me. It's amazing how quick these markets move and how quick a profit can turn into a loss. The decision making is a lot quicker, etc. So yeah, I prefer the daily charts. Now let's bring up my platform here. Alright, just your standard MT4 platform. This is actually one of my live accounts, small account. But this has got all the indicators I use on it. It's not the actual platform I use. It's another MT4 one, but this one just fits in the page at the moment. Now we're looking at a Euro USD daily chart. So it's daily up there. Daily, just follow my cursor for this. Now it's just a simple candlestick chart, as you can see. We have a moving average. That is just a simple, and when I say simple, it is a simple 25 on the close moving average. Pretty straightforward. I just use it to give me an idea which way the trend's going. Below I have a MACD. It doesn't look like a MACD, but it is. It's just slightly modified, and I'll bring up the settings and show you. Alright. Fast EMA of 6, slow EMA of 12, and the MACD SMA, or the signal line, is 1. It's on the close. Now the colours, the main, or the signal line, the main is coloured black, which is the same colour as the charting, same colour as the background of the chart, so that way I can't see it. And I've got the signal line as orange red, and the only level I've got is a 0 level. So basically end up with this line, pretty smooth sort of line, that just goes up and down and through the 0 line. Pretty straightforward, just a modified MACD. What's we got below here? Now a couple of these 3 indicators below, I could probably do without all three of them, but I like to just have them on my charts. This one's called a QQE Advanced. I'm just trying to think where I got it from. I got it for free on the web, I know that, but it is from a course. I think it's Forex Rebellion. If anyone wants a link to it, I can send it to them. It's no problems. I got it for free, so I can't see any problem passing on for free. Settings SF1, RSI period 8, WP period 3, and I think the levels, we've just got the 50 level, that dotted line is a 50 level. I'll explain all these in a second. This one here is a proprietary indicator. I'm afraid I can't give you this one. It's need a special code. It's through Your Trading Room or YTR. Some people that may look at this website may have access, be members of that. It's just a MACD Platinum, they call it. So it's a bit of a MACD. Basically moves the same as my MACD above, but it's got a few little dots and arrows on it I just use. And the indicator below, which is freely available, it's called the SHAFE or SHAF trend cycle. Pretty straightforward. 25 and 75 are the two levels. Pretty straightforward. Alright, this video's run out of time, so I'll just quickly. Now, what I'm looking for in a trade here, ideally, I'll put my crosshairs on and see where my crosshair is. I would like to see the price closed above the moving average, and also for this MACD, modified MACD, to cross above the zero line. That's basically my signal to go long. And short, you'll see here, see how this big down candle here, it closed pretty well on the moving average, so I didn't go short then. And if you look at it, the MACD had closed down. So basically on the close of that one, I always go at the close of a candle too, by the way. On the close of that candle, short, and just held it down there. And now I'll show you where I use these other indicators quickly. One thing I will point out here is there's a good indication to get out of this trade. Divergence is another thing I look at. It's not simple. See, we've got a low here and a lower low on here. Go down to the MACD, lower low is, and the next lower low, it's opposite. The MACD is actually going up, whereas the price is going down. That tells me it's around this one, and we have started to turn. It's time to get out. Just quickly on these other indicators here. Just about point the screen with my finger. We're on the blue and gold one here, the QQE, with that yellow line above the 50, and the blue line crosses down through it, then crosses down through that dotted line. That's a signal to go short. So that was already short previous to me taking the short signal. So that was a goer. And also the bottom one, this purple one, when that line crosses down through that top dotted line, the 75 level, that is also a signal to go short. So I've got two confirming signals. And I'll just look at the YTR MACD Platinum. As you can see, that red dot there, that tells me the market's about to turn. So it also crosses down and is going short. And this is a good signal for me on this one. So that blue dot down the bottom, that is telling me it's a reversal. So I'd either close out there or start thinking about closing half my position or something along those lines. Even though this is still flat below along the bottom one. And another signal here is that cross, this blue line on this indicator here, back up through the orange, and there's that divergence as I spoke about before. So that's it in a nutshell. Just see if I can find some other simple looking setups for you. So here's a good one here. So you would have gone short on here, wouldn't have lasted long. Everything's pointing up, and bang, we go up there, and there's a nice long. The beauty about the trading the daily charts or the 4-hour charts, you can get some nice big runs, that's for sure. And this is the euro, it trends pretty well. Alright, I'm running out of time, so I'll just flick over to the current. Here's my Oanda. I use this to actually place my trades. I just find an easy one. Small account, only got about $2,000 in it. There's you can see it. balance. Here's all the open trades I've called already. So they're up 56, 54, there's a couple up over nearly 200, 150, 330. So yeah, we're doing it right at the moment. So guys, hopefully that'll just get the ball rolling. This is just a quick video to give you a bit of an overview, and I'll do a little bit more in-depth ones now. I've worked out how to get my recording set up properly. I've done a few dramas with it. Thanks for that.